welcome to Biz Magic TV. I'm Jessica Hansen, the Systems Magician, and I will turn your chaos into order. We are here today and talking about boundaries. So comment and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and comment yes if you are excited about figuring out what's going on with your boundaries. So I've got 3 areas here. Oh, I've got my pen in my hand too. How about that? 3 areas that you need to consider your boundaries in order to be a total success in your life and in your business. The first one is within your business. So decide up front every week or every month, every so often, how much of your time are you going to give away? That sounds kind of crazy to think about, but if you're able to decide how much time you are able to give away to people, then you know where to draw the line when somebody's asking you to do something or to give them advice or for them to pick your brain. If you've already met your quota for the month of giveaway time, then there's no reason for you to meet with somebody else to give them some of your time as well. The other place that you can have good boundaries in your business is when you decide what you're working on with someone. Do you actually write the statement of work for your jobs, for each of your projects, for each of your clients? Because if you don't, you're giving away free time and free resources to that person. So make sure that you are very clear and you write out a statement of work every time someone hires you. It doesn't take very long. It's easy to find a template. You can create your own. It doesn't have to be fancy. You just want to make sure that you have it outlined. The benefits of these boundaries are so great. You are going to have more cash in your business. Who would ever say no to that? You're also going to make sure when you have those super clear boundaries about what time you have and what things you do, that you're spending your time on only the useful things in your business. You're not wasting your time on people and tasks that aren't going to bring you that cash. So the second area of your business that you want to have really good boundaries is around your friends. Are you available anytime they need something from you? Are they used to just being able to hop on the phone and go out and party every single night with you? Stop! Planning ahead is not a crime. You need to make sure that your friends know what nights you're available to hang out and how often you can chat with them on the phone. Just like when you're giving time away to your business clients, you want to make sure that you have time set aside for your friends so that it's not infringing on the things that you're actually trying to get done. And you know what? There's a third place that you need to have good boundaries in your business, and that is with your family. Make sure you have good boundaries about what time you're working and what time you're not with your significant other. Why? Because this is going to cause a lot less stress. There's not going to be misunderstandings about what you're actually working on that day or where you're working from, especially if you work from home. If you walk in your office, you're working. Make it clear. Make it a boundary. If you have to shut the door to make that boundary clear, it's totally fine. Not a big deal. The other thing with your family that you're going to need a boundary on, with your kids. If you are working and you have your kids around, you make sure that you set the expectation up front. Tell your kids what you're working on, whether or not you can be disturbed, and what is the reward for good behavior at the end when you're finished working. It works miracles. Your kids are going to be happier, you're going to be happier, you're not going to have as many interruptions, and you're going to get more done. Who can argue with that? So, boundaries. If you don't have them, create them. Click on subscribe. Love this content. Go ahead and click on the link in the description to go visit my website and book your intensive. If you want to learn how to delegate, get things on track, and really get your business going, Save yourself time and money and get in on this intensive. Have an amazing day.